Start my car. Not working.
It's the loudest snore.
If you guys don't know, this is Danmaster20 snoring.
Canadian mating call.
Still asleep in the scaffold.
The fucking Kodiak bear, yo.
Sounds like he's shitting his pants.
Snort some crack.
You know what's funny? It's funny, he was just awake and talking to us 10 minutes ago.
Now it's just...
Fantastic.
I feel bad, yo. In the Dan household is
Oh my god.
too loud. Wow. Nasal spray, yo.
It's like,
Like, how is he not getting laughing at his dog?
oh my god.
Oh, this can't be real life.
He's having one of those Canadian drinks.
It's a wild Canadian.
We have to be careful not to wake up a rare Canadian man sleeping.
Right now. He's dreaming. He's eating pancakes.
He's dreaming of unlocked doors and no guns. And free healthcare.
And he's got hockey stick.
He's got the hockey stick. Hey, Danmaster, if you like hockey, keep snoring.
If you love fairy tale, snort for. Oh, nope.
You're a fan of anime savage, keep snoring.
Okay.
Oh my
I
god.
guess he's a fan.
Chainsaw. You're critical.
Wait, what did you say, Danmaster? Both of them? Me?
If you can.
Oh my god.
I think you. It's so diverse.
Danmaster. He has like sleep apnea and shit. He's gonna die. We have to wake him up.
This thing. Yeah.
Dan, wake up. I gotta type this in the Skype chat. Damn.
Get more people in here.
Oh my god. Oh no. Yo.
So fucking loud. So loud.
I can't wait till Zalda sees this, yo.
Put this on the legal tacos.
Yo, Danmaster exposed.
Hardcore player.
Danmaster.
Disgusting.
Danmaster, wake up. Dan.
Dude.
Intense.
It sounds like a fart.
Just like a fart, yeah.
It sounds like fucking... I don't know what he sounds like.
Danmaster.
Demonic. It's by the spirit of Wayne Brady.
Oh.
Wayne Gretzky.
Wayne Hockey.
I meant Wayne Gretzky.
Well,
Yeah, almost good.
I'm gonna end this. You guys have anything you want to say to Danmaster while he's sleeping?
No, sweet dreams.
Have a good night.
Sweet dreams, Danmaster. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Who stole this?